Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the GHD Flight Hair Dryer. This compact beauty promises to be the ultimate travel companion, blending portability with GHD's renowned quality. Let's see how it stacks up. First off, let's talk design. The GHD Flight Plus impresses with its sleek, matte black finish, a signature look of the GHD range. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing just under a pound. The foldable handle is a standout feature, making it easy to pack into any travel bag without taking up much space. However, the included carry case, while neat for storage, might not be the most practical for every traveler. Moving on to features, the Flight Plus offers dual voltage capability, which is crucial for international travelers. Switching between 240 volts and 120 volts is straightforward, though it does require a coin or similar tool. This hair dryer has 2 speed settings and a fixed cool shot function, which is great for setting your style without the hassle of holding down a button. Now, let's discuss performance. The GHD Flight Plus operates at 1,600 watts, delivering 78% of the power of GHD's full-sized models. During my testing, it dried my hair efficiently, though not as quickly as a full-sized dryer would. On the highest setting, it took about 8 minutes to rough dry my hair, which is reasonable for a travel dryer. In terms of styling, the Flight Plus provided my hair with a decent amount of volume and body. However, I did notice a bit more frizz than usual, which the cool shot helped to tame. If you have thicker or longer hair, it might take a bit longer to achieve your desired results due to its lower power compared to full-size dryers. So, should you buy the GHD Flight Plus? If you're a frequent traveler looking for a compact yet powerful travel dryer with the reliability of GHD, then yes, it's a solid choice. It strikes a balance between performance and portability, making it ideal for on-the-go styling. Overall, the GHD Flight Plus hair dryer delivers where it counts for travelers. It may not replace your full-sized dryer for everyday use, but its combination of design, features, and performance makes it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize quality in their travel gear. That wraps up our review of the GHD Flight Plus hair dryer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.